Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce with vegetables. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan and add chopped onions and garlic to sweat gently. Add carrots and bell peppers next, stirring until softened. Pour in canned tomatoes, season with salt and pepper, and simmer gently while stirring occasionally until flavors meld and sauce thickens to your preferred consistency. Start by sautéing onions and garlic until they become translucent and fragrant, which creates a savory foundation for the sauce. Add shredded or diced vegetables and continue cooking until they soften. Pour in crushed tomatoes, reduce heat, and let the sauce simmer uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes to concentrate flavors. Stir in fresh herbs and a splash of balsamic to brighten the sauce before serving over pasta. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes clean up a breeze after pasta night, with voice control and smart mapping to pick up crumbs while you relax. It's a helpful kitchen companion that saves time and keeps floors tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you prefer a silky sauce, use an immersion blender to puree part of the mixture while keeping some chunks for texture. For flavor balance, adjust acidity with a teaspoon of sugar or add red pepper flakes for a spicy kick. Consider stirring in cooked mushrooms, spinach, or roasted eggplant for added depth and nutrition. Taste as you go and season gradually until the sauce feels right for your palate and pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.